5.6 inverse reference in quadrants only. Directions say to find the reference angle to the nearest tenth if necessary, and also the two possible quadrants in which theta could lie. So when you go to find the quadrants, you're just looking at what this is. Is it positive? Is it negative? And then what two quadrants does that trig function lie in with those signs? Reference angle, we're going to be solving this like we did in the beginning with the triangles where we're trying to find a missing angle. You do inverse sine of this. Okay, so let's start with quadrants. Sine is positive in quadrant 1, always quadrant 1. And then since it's a y value, it's positive in quadrant 2. Okay, easy enough. Reference angle, we want to take inverse sine of square root of 58 over 9. And that is 57.8 degrees. That's it. Number 2 is a negative. Where is cosine negative? Well, not quadrant 1. It's where x values are negative. That would put us in quadrant 2 and then in quadrant 3. Okay, think of x values going to the left. Reference angle. I would not use the negative. When I use a reference angle, I use the positive of this answer. So we'll do inverse cosine of just square root of 40 over 8. And the reason is it just gets confusing sometimes. It'll get the same number, just tell you it's a negative. I'd rather just know what the reference angle is. Square root 40. And so it's 37.8 degrees. And then number 3, tangent of 3. Tangent's positive here, so it's positive in quadrant 1, where everything's positive, and it's positive in quadrant 3, where everything is negative. And then so I want to do inverse tan of 3. And that gets me 71.6 degrees. So again, whenever you do a reference angle, just ignore the negative and just put the positive in, and that'll tell you what that angle is.